Good morning, children. We'll revise chapter 5, formulas and functions in Excel. Now, my question to Kavya Gehlot is, what is using the pointing method? It is for all also, but at present I am asking Kavya Gehlot. Please unmute. Let me open Excel so that he can tell me from there. We'll use Excel. Excel is open here. What is pointing method, beta? Using
Then
pointing
the pointing method that we can do something like that bar.
What you use in the
The
bar?
formula bar.
What you use in the formula bar?
When we type in the formula bar and the
What you will type?
and
That's
we type
what I'm asking. What you will type?
anything.
Anything you cannot type, na? Formula bar me you can you go for anything? You will type equal to sign there. Now one cell is this is active cell. Equal to sign is there. As I click on the other cell, the dotted border is coming. This is using the pointing method. This is how we make use of pointing method. And in A1, what is written in A1? It is coming that now this is active cell where the cursor is moving, where the dotted border is there, moving border or active border. Okay, and you are getting written B2 in A1. Why so? Because this is active now. This is called pointing method. Got it?
Yes.
And in Excel, you cannot make use of any formula until and unless you type equal to sign here. You just see if I remove equal to sign. If I remove equal to sign and I move to the other cell, are you able to see the dotted line coming, dotted border coming on the cell? No, it is not.
No,
So
ma'am.
you are not making use of pointing method. Until and unless you type equal to sign and then you move to the other cell, you cannot make use of pointing method. This is how you make use of pointing method. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me share Excel. One second, beta, wait, okay?
Yes,
Many have understood why I have stopped. Is it? The boy who is pinned now, please open your mouth and switch on your camera. Hacker, it is written hacker there. Who is a hacker there? Can I see your face, beta? शक्ल तो दिखाओ अपनी. Are you all able to see?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
I'll send the screenshot of this. Someone is there with hacker name. Let me remove now. Because he started scribbling. Now children, we'll open Excel. Okay. And are you able to see, beta?
Yes,
First, we will click on formulas. Okay. As I have clicked, then math and trick. Okay. Got it? Now from here, you are getting numberless options. Okay. So first I told you how to use LCM. Then one more is there, count. it's not coming. Let me see. It's in alphabetic order. We'll begin with A. So beginning with A, these are the options beta. In 10th class, you will learn trigonometry. So that's why it is written math and trig. Trig is short form for trigonometry, is a form of maths only. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear,
Okay.
ma'am.
Huh.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
And this option is also given there in your book, GCD. LCM you have come to know, na? That is the least common multiple. So
Yes, ma'am.
GCD,
What is the meaning of this?
that's what we are coming there, na?
Full form, full form.
We are coming there, beta. Greatest common divisor. Okay, GCD is greatest common divisor. It could be of two numbers or more than two. Got it? So let's make use of this now. Now again you are getting one box opening here. So you can type numbers, different numbers you can type here. Then the second one also. Okay, you can take any number and get the greatest common divisor. We'll take three numbers here. Now I will click on OK. Will I get the value? Because I have not typed their equal to sign. So first I will go there, although it is coming there. Let's see if I type here. I think it will give the error. It is giving beta 1. It is giving 1
Error.
as answer.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not error. Error is when you get the value written in the cell with hash. Hash, name, hash, etc. written. That is called error value. Got it? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So two
Yes,
things
ma'am.
you have learned today. One is LCM. Now let me select the other cell. Now I have selected one more cell here. Okay. And I will type here equal to sign. Got it? Then I will move to math and trig. Okay. And then from here LCM. I have selected LCM. Now I need to type here two values. 2 or more than 2. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then you need to press OK and you get the answer. This is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Clear to
Okay,
everyone?
ma'am.
Is it
Clear,
clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
beta.